Okay, let's have a look at this integral then. We're going to do it from working it out using Simpson's rule. So we need either an even number of strips. So I'm going to do 4 and 8 and see if we get any convergence. I'm not going to do 16. It's ambitious to ask us to 4dp, but let's just see what we get for these two and see if there's any level of accuracy here. So we're going from 0 to 1 in 4 strips. So divided by 4, we get a quarter, don't we? So I had a quarter each time. 2 quarters is a half, and then 3 quarters and 1. Then we go from 0 to 1, divide it by 8s, go up in 8s. 2 eighths is a quarter, 3 eighths, 4 eighths is a half, 5 eighths, 6 eighths is 3 quarters, 7 eighths, 6 eighths, 7 eighths. Oh, what have I done here? 8 strips. We don't need x9. There we go, sorry, that's a 1 there. And that's 7 eighths. There we go, that's better. Okay, so now we need our y values. So let's get the y values. y0 would be e to the 0 squared. And e to the 0 is 1. And e to the 1 is e. So e to the 0 is 1, e to the 1 is e. This would be e to the quarter squared. E to the 1 over 16. This squared is 1 quarter. 9 sixteenths. 1 over 64. 1 over 16. 9 over 64, isn't it? 1 quarter. 25 over 64. 9 sixteenths. 49 over 64. So I equals then d over 3 here. D is a quarter, over 3 is a 12th. First plus the last, so that's 1 plus e, plus 4 times the odds, isn't it, and 2 times the evens. The odds would be this one and this one. Plus 2 times the evens. It's just one even one here. E to the quarter. Close brace equals 1/12, 1 plus e. So it's 1 divided by 12 times bracket 1 plus e. Oops. 1 plus e. There we go. E to the 16th. 1 divided by 16. Plus, so what have I got? 12 times, what have I done here? 1 divided by 12 plus 4 times. I got this wrong at the beginning. 1 divided by 12, 1 plus e plus 4 times. Okay. 1 plus e. So it's just e to the 1 plus 4 times bracket e to the 16th plus e to the 9 sixteenths. Four times that bracket plus 2 times the other e value. Don't need a bracket for it. 1 quarter. There we go. Close the bracket at the end. Equals 1.4637. 1.467, and that was the 4D. Yep. Okay, now let's do the other one. This would be 8 strips, wouldn't it? This is 4 strips. D over 3 for this one now then. 1/8 over 3 is 1 over 24. The first plus the last one, which is 1 plus e, plus 4 times. And then we got the odds, y1, 3, 5 and 7. (25 over 64) plus e to the 49. Okay, that's 4 times, plus 2 times the even ones. Here's y2, here's y4, here's y6 in between. Let's see what we get for this then, and see if there's any level of agreement in the accuracy that we will obtain. So let's tap it in the calculator then, see what we get. So it's 1 divided by 24 times bracket 1 plus e plus 4 times. Plus e plus 4 times bracket, close bracket, plus 2 times bracket, close bracket, and then close the bracket at the end. So the 4 times in the bracket now. E to the 1 over 64 plus e to the 9 over 64 plus e to the 25 over 64 plus e to the 49. 49 divided by 64. Okay, that's the 4 times. Plus 2 times bracket e to the 1 over 16 plus e to the 1 divided by 4 plus to the 9 over 16, ground level, and that's everything done. 1.4627. Well, that's good. 4627, wasn't it? Okay, and that was the 4 decimal places. So to 3D, this would be 1.464, but it'd be 1.46 to 2D, wouldn't it? And this would equal 1.46 to 2D. So to 2D, there is convergence. So I equals 1.46 units squared. I'm not going to do another example because it would be a really difficult one to illustrate, wouldn't it?